girlies, y'all, when I tell you, Wow Angel, y'all see all this body and bounce? Y'all see this legs? All this HD realness. Y'all can sleep on that if you want. More for me. You're not bleaching no knots, okay? You're not plucking nothing, okay? All you're doing is installing it, putting your curls in, and you out the door.
Let me introduce you guys to one of my favorite wigs of 2025. First of all, let's get into the scalp, okay? And by scalp, I mean lace. I love me some good HD lace. If you cannot see your skin through that lace, it ain't HD. First of all, the color outside of the wig being nice and full, soft, bouncy, thick, baby, the color is actually one beat on camera and in person. It's no natural brown, okay? Also, it comes pre-plucked. We ain't got to do no work. We don't have to bleach no knots. We just get to install her. I did go ahead and wash and conditioner, and this is the shedding. This is all. So it is install day, and I'm excited. It still has a lot of body and bounce. It's super soft. And one thing I love about the unit as well is the hairline. Like, to me, I love me a natural hairline. I want to be able to cut the lace off and not do no baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix up the part. Now it does come with the part in the middle part, so you just part it back. I'm using this heat protector wax stick. I love this stuff because you don't have to use your heat protectant and wax. You can just use this one because it's built in both. I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb everything down so it is laid to my liking. I love the density on this, so no matter how much you lay it, it's still gonna give you that, you know, that volume up to the top, which makes it look natural in my opinion. Like it's growing from your scalp. Okay, so let's get into it because this is beautiful, okay? When I see it looking like this, I'm like, okay, we can definitely do a no baby hair day. So y'all know I'm going with my regular Kiss lace adhesive. We're just gonna go ahead and adhere everything down. You can build this product up depending on how long you want your wig to last. So that's literally what I'm going to do. I feel like with this type of lace, the less product, the better. So I went ahead and secured it down without using any lace tint or foundation and waited till after. And do y'all see how this is blending? Please. I just took a little bit of my foundation, and that was my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC50. And I followed up after that with some Got To Be glue spray just to melt everything down. Girl, this is beautiful. All I see is scalp. I don't know what y'all talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put my melt band on because we're going to go ahead and curl it. I didn't want to curl it, y'all. I literally wanted to leave it as is because it's pretty. Okay. I love it. Like, so again, if you don't want to curl it, you can always do your silk press, do a bust down middle part with just straight hair, or you can curl it. Very versatile. You can pretty much do any style that you want, half up, half down, all that good stuff. That's what I love. Also, if y'all are having problems with your curls lasting, please make sure that you pin your curls and let them cool completely down before you take them out. I promise you, this wig can hold a dang on curl. I mean, it is body wave hair, but y'all know all body wave hair can't hold a curl. I had to brush these things out to get them loose to my liking. Y'all, look at that curl. Look at that curl. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. Y'all, these curls are so full and bouncy. And y'all know I gotta do my little bumpy butt towards the front of my wig. But look at the comb gliding through, first of all. No snags, no tags. My hands is gliding through like butter. The comb is gliding through like butter. And look at these beautiful curls. Please.
So it is safe to say that this wig did make me go wow. Full lace frontal, ear to ear. It is 24 inches and 250% in density. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'm obsessed. I love it. I don't have any complaints. Y'all, when I wash the wig, when I tell you when I wash that wig, girl, the shedding, hopefully I got a clip, but the shedding was literally almost to none, okay? Tangling was non-existent. So if you on the market right now for some good, you know, beautiful, bodylicious wig, go ahead and get this one. I promise you, you're gonna love it. That's all I'm gonna say. You're going to love it. I don't have anything negative to say. This is probably one of them wigs where I'm like, it's too good to be true, but it is what it is. It's just that girl. She's that girl. Now, she's so pretty, y'all. She is pretty. That's what I'm gonna say. She is a good wig. I love her down. 10 out of 10. So if you guys enjoyed this wig, don't forget to check down in the description section below. If I have coupons, if I have anything, it will be in the description section. Also, of course, the direct link will be down there. I hope you guys again enjoyed, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.